Hey food enthusiasts, today I'm diving into the fascinating world of fermentation and probiotics. Get ready because I've got some simple and delicious recipes that you absolutely need to try. First up, let's talk about yogurt. Making homemade yogurt is way easier than you might think. All you need is some high-quality milk and a bit of store-bought yogurt with live cultures. Heat your milk to just below boiling, let it cool down to a warm bath temperature, and then stir in your yogurt starter. Wrap it up, keep it warm overnight, and voila, you've got creamy homemade yogurt. Perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even as a base for dressings and sauces. Next on the list, kombucha. This fizzy, tangy tea is not only refreshing, but also packed with probiotics. Start with brewing a strong batch of sweet tea. Once it cools down, add your SCOBY, that's the symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. Let it ferment for about a week, and you've got your own homemade kombucha. Experiment with different flavors by adding fruits, herbs, or spices during the second fermentation. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now let's move on to sauerkraut. This one's a classic and super simple. All you need is cabbage and salt. Shred your cabbage, toss it with salt, and pack it tightly into a jar. The key here is patience. Let it sit at room temperature for a couple of weeks, and you'll have tangy, crunchy sauerkraut that's perfect for sandwiches, salads, or just on its own. Plus, it's a fantastic way to sneak in some extra probiotics. Feeling adventurous? Try making your own kimchi. This Korean staple is a flavor explosion. Start with napa cabbage and daikon radish, then add garlic, ginger, chili flakes, and fish sauce. Mix it all up, let it ferment for a few days, and you've got spicy, zesty kimchi that pairs well with almost anything. Finally, don't forget about kefir. This fermented milk drink is packed with probiotics and has a tangy, refreshing taste. Simply add kefir grains to milk and let it sit at room temperature for about 24 hours. Strain out the grains, and you're left with a nutritious drink that's great on its own or blended into smoothies. So there you have it, a quick dive into the world of fermentation and probiotics. These simple recipes not only taste amazing, but also come with a host of health benefits. Give them a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tasty update. Happy fermenting!